Hello and welcome to Shimadzu's Digital Classroom's Ultra Fast Bytes. Today I'll be sharing with you how you can automate quality monitoring of pharmaceutical grade waters using online TOC. My name is Pravin and I work as Senior Product Specialist for Spectroscopy and TOC at Shimadzu Asia Pacific. Before we start, please take advantage of our console that is equipped with features for you to share this webinar with your friends. Also, to download resources related to this webinar. Do engage the session with us by sending reactions and asking questions. Feel free to email us if you need more information or wish to book an appointment to speak with our representatives. We will get back to you as soon as possible. So let's jump right into the presentation. Let's discuss about TOC as a powerful tool for water quality monitoring in pharmaceuticals. This presentation consists of three parts as shown here. First, we will discuss what is TOC and its regulatory requirements in pharma segment pertaining to TOC analysis. Then we will compare lab type and online type TOC analyzers in view of latest trends. Finally, we will learn about Shimadzu TOC 1000D and its use in pharmaceutical water quality monitoring. Total organic carbon or TOC refers to the total amount of carbon contained in organic matter present in water. TOC measurements are now used in a wide range of fields such as for evaluating the water quality in pharmaceuticals and other industries or even to determine the quality of public drinking water. TOC analyzers convert carbon material in a given sample to CO2 for its measurement. Different oxidation and detection methods are used depending on the sample type and TOC concentration being analyzed. Purified water and water for injection are considered as critical products in the pharmaceutical industry, and regulatory agencies require that they undergo thorough testing to ensure their quality and safety. To meet this requirement, regulatory agencies have identified TOC or total organic carbon as the crucial test that must be performed on these waters. The pharmaceutical industry has embraced the use of TOC as a key process control test in operations, including the purification of water intended for injection and purified water as well as generation and distribution systems of such water. The specification for the level of TOC water in waters for pharmaceutical use are set by various pharmacopoeias including USP, EP, JP and IP. These pharmacopoeias require that purified water and water for injection meet the TOC limit of less than 500 microgram per liter or 500 ppb. TOC measurements are performed in a variety of waters from highly polluted industrial wastewater or effluents to an extremely pure ultra pure water that is used in semiconductor industry. Shimadzu is world's leading manufacturer of total organic carbon analyzers. Shimadzu TOC analyzers, both laboratory type and online type, are used in a variety of applications for environmental, pharmaceutical and other industries. In lab or bench type, Shimadzu's TOC-L series based on combustion catalytic oxidation is the leading TOC analyzer worldwide. In addition, when continuous and automatic TOC monitoring of water is desired, suitable online TOC analyzers could be used. Overall, for any TOC analysis application, Shimadzu would provide a suitable solution. Now, let's compare lab and online type TOC analyzers in little detail. Lab TOC instruments are used in laboratory settings that necessitate sampling and enable batch measurements. These instruments are designed to be versatile, multifunctional, and have a broad range of applications, whereas online instruments enable measurement to be conducted remotely without the need of physical sampling, and they offer high level of sensitivity. The trend is towards utilizing online or on-site monitoring rather than relying on batch measurements in a lab. This is particularly evident in the context of measuring ultra-pure water. Online TOC analyzers for ultra pure water are designed to be highly sensitive, allowing more precise measurements at lower TOC levels. With continuous monitoring, any issues within the pure water system can be promptly detected, eliminating the need for manual sampling or other user operations. This approach eliminates the risk of errors such as data manipulation or lack of skills, ensuring accurate and more reliable results. However, they have a limitation in handling high concentration and complex metric samples. Overall, both online and lab TOC analyzers have their own strengths. Thus, both are used based on the important requirements for the given case. This slide shows Shimadzu proposition for TOC monitoring of pure water system. Online TOC analyzers could be preferably employed at the start point and end point of the pure water loop. At other point of use locations, sampling could be done at periodic intervals, followed by analysis with the laboratory TOC analyzers at a central lab. This way, cost efficient and effective TOC monitoring of pure water system could be done. In addition to the samples from pure water system, laboratory TOC analyzers could also be used for other applications such as raw water analysis, cleaning validation, direct solid or swab sampling, extractable and leachables for the packaging as per USP 661, raw material testing, total nitrogen measurements. This way you can maximize the use of lab TOC analyzer. There is one more strong justification for employing online TOC analyzers in pure water plant of pharmaceuticals. As per the latest guideline of European Union GMP Annex 1, it recommends use of robotics and automation of processes to minimize the human intervention. This guideline or annexure recommends use of rapid automated methods to expedite the detection of contamination, which is of key importance for pure water plant. Annexure 1 also advises minimizing the direct human intervention in the critical zones. That means automated methods are preferred over manual methods. This update is also expected to change the US FDA regulations, and this update is the latest to be implemented from 2023 itself. Overall, online TOC could help to meet such requirements of automation and avoiding human intervention in the plant. Now we will discuss about key features of Shimadzu TOC 1000E and its suitability to meet the pharmaceutical regulations. TOC 1000E is Shimadzu's first TOC analyzer based on direct conductivity method. This analyzer is built on three key ideas: state-of-the-art technology, usability for the better work efficiency, reliability to support regulations. Some of the key features of this product which we will discuss in the next session: world's first examiner lamp, new technology with active path for the UV oxidation, big display on smallest casing, 1 year maintenance free or tool free maintenance, export data in easily readable or usable format. TOC 1000T offers some of the technological innovation though packed in the smallest or lightest casing. It has the first examiner lamp which is free of mercury. The lamp is environmental friendly, at the same time more powerful to cause the effective oxidation. With new active part technology, the flow or the sample flow is integrated within the lamp, or that means sample literally flows to the lamp, causing the effective oxidation of organic molecules within the sample. The flow channel minimizes the contamination and carryover due to its simple design. The outer layer of UV light or UV lamp prevents any accidental injury or formation of ozone. This is a good points against the typical analyzers where the oxidation is not effective or there is a generation of ozone gas. TOC 1000T has the big display and indicator on the smallest casing. The instrument dimensions can be seen here, which is literally a A4 paper size. The indicator at the bottom clearly shows the instrument status, working, error or idle. Easy to see the data generated by the instrument in form of a tables or a chart format. So this is a smallest giant enabling the power pack technology. TOC 1000E has easy to use and maintain design that improves efficiency. This system is 1 year maintenance free and doesn't need any tool for the maintenance. Two parts of the system, UV lamp and pump head, need a replacement, which can be done without any tools and can be accessed easily via front door. This system is offered along with a vial sampler, which can hold 4 samples or standards for the calibration purpose. So up to 4 solutions calibration curve can be created for the system calibration. Also many other tests required for validation such as accuracy, linearity, repeatability can be performed in a single batch. Ready-made standard solutions of 2 should be used along with this vial sampler for the calibration of the system. So overall, this system offers easy maintenance and affordability, support easy and on-site calibration, validation or system suitability as required to meet the USP 643 criteria. There is no need to send instruments to the vendor or the manufacturer for the calibration purpose. TOC 1000E can export data in an easily readable and usable format. In a standalone analyzer, data can be simply copied to a USB drive for further use or printing. When system is connected to a tablet or a PC via a LAN connection, the data or online analysis measurement results can be monitored through a web browser such as Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. Also further download is also available. Analyzer can also be connected to a small printer for immediate printing of the result generated by the system. In some cases, if control center needs to monitor the results of TOC, it can also be done, and the immediate action on the plant level can be taken based on the TOC values. TOC analyzer generates data in 2 formats. One is a text file .csv format, another is a PDF format. In the report, results can be seen in both way, table as well as a trend or graph format. One of the essential requirements of online TOC used in pharmaceutical is to meet detection limit or sensitivity requirement from regulatory perspective. On this slide, you can see the measurement performance of TOC 1000E for 5 ppb level of TOC concentration. This analysis shows 24 hours continuous measurement with 15 minutes interval at a 5 ppb level TOC concentration. Results are stable enough at this level, as you can see in the shown data. Shimadzu ETOC can easily meet the USP EP TOC detection limit or upper limit criteria requirements. Another key requirement of pharmaceuticals is the data integrity, data management and user management. TOC 1000T offers user authentication with ID and passwords, and different user levels or with different user rights can also be created in the system. System can also save the operation or event log such as measurement alarms, errors, and it can be separated based on the type of the error or the log audit trail. This system has it created daily report of measurements, and it can be exported to Shimadzu Lab Solutions database. So database from Shimadzu's Lab Solutions Manager is used for this purpose. If you have multiple ETOC at your facility or another analytical instruments, the data from multiple instruments can be managed together in a single server using Shimadzu's Lab Solutions. So all this security functionality supports reliable data management compliant with US FDA 21 CFR Part 11. This is the summary of my presentation. TOC measurement is critical to ensure the quality of water in pharmaceutical use. Online TOC analyzers support automated TOC monitoring and 24/7 or continuous water sample measurements. Shimadzu's TOC 1000E is suitable for such online continuous TOC monitoring for pure water. With its power-packed features for regulatory compliance, it meets the requirements for pharmaceuticals looking for real-time automated TOC monitoring. Thank you for attending this session. We hope that the session was informative and insightful and has provided you with a better understanding of how an online TOC analyzer can be used for water quality monitoring in the pharmaceutical industry. Before you go, please fill up our short survey that will help us to improve our future webinar sessions. You can download your webinar attendance certificate by clicking on the certificate icon. If you need more information from Shimadzu or have any questions regarding the talk, you may also email directly to us by scanning the QR code. With that, we have come to the end of this webinar. We hope you have enjoyed today's session and we hope to see you again. Thank you and goodbye.
Excellence in science. Shimadzu.